Have you been wanting to treat your dog's health issues naturally without the need to inject them with chemicals? We have an incredible range of natural solutions for your furry friends' health and happiness. From effective dewormers to tick and flea prevention that will have those pesky pets running for the hills, we've got it all. We'll also share some natural snacks you can make for your dog, as well as home remedies that can help you if you run out of the styptic powder and just happen to cut your dog's nails a little too short. Let's start with getting rid of nasty pests. For natural flea and tick prevention, we have many methods ranging from putting on diatomaceous earth, or a combination of baking soda and salt, or preventative plants like spearmint and pennyroyal around your environment, to putting on an anti-flea collar made from a bandana and essential oils like lavender, cedarwood or eucalyptus, or magosa oil, to bathing your dog in lemon water and using a flea comb to get those pests out, or using a combination of all those methods. They work best when combined. Our next pest resides inside your dog: worms. There are two types of natural ways to deworm your dog. The first one is an anti-parasitic herb, such as barberry garlic or golden seal. They not only kill the parasites, they are also antibacterial. The next set of herbs is digestive herbs such as cascara, juniper, and slippery elm that will aid in the natural digestive process while gently evacuating the parasites from the intestines. You can also feed your dog pumpkin seeds that contain amino acid called cucurbitacin. It paralyzes the worms and eliminates them from the dog's digestive tract. You can also use diatomaceous earth. Use food grade and remember to mix it well into the food, as inhaled diatomaceous earth can irritate your dog's lungs. You can also try feeding your dog turmeric, as it will not only get rid of worms but also repair the damage these leaky, pesky parasites cause to the intestine. Also, keeping your dog's diet high in fiber will act like a natural dewormer. Foods like carrots, beetroot, apples, and papaya are recommended. Our next problem that you can resolve naturally is ear infections. Get a mixture of equal parts apple cider vinegar and distilled water on a cotton ball and wipe your dog's ears with it. Vinegar can fight bacterial and fungal infections and soothe swelling. You can also use witch hazel as an anti-inflammatory property. Make sure you dry the ear thoroughly, as a wet ear is the perfect environment for an ear infection. Try not to push wax or debris further into the ear. And remember to only clean parts of the ear you can see. If your dog's skin is raw or broken or has mites, do not use this method and see your vet. Now, on to more fun stuff. Natural homemade treats for your dog. Tired of treat ingredients you can't pronounce? Here are our favorite healthy treats to make for your dog. Every dog loves peanut butter, so make him oat flour, peanut butter, and banana cookies. Make sure your peanut butter is natural and does not contain xylitol that can be poisonous for dogs. Also remember that you can use a lot of human food to feed your dog and get him supplements naturally. Cooked but unseasoned fish and chicken can be great for dogs. Carrots, apples, and blueberries are also great natural ways to get them the nutrients they need. If you don't like baking or cooking, mix some coconut oil and pumpkin puree together and then put it in the freezer to create frozen treats for your dog. Pumpkin is known to soothe their stomach, and coconut oil is antibacterial, so this will be a healthy treat. If you want, you can make this frozen treat with pumpkin and yogurt. Just make sure the yogurt is sugar-free. If you want a flea-free option of this, use brewer's yeast and coconut oil to repel those pests. You can also put them in cute palm molds to get the cutest looking treats. This will be their own special nutritious ice cream. And if they get messy while eating this ice cream and need a bath, make natural oatmeal shampoo. Use 1 cup uncooked oatmeal, ½ cup baking soda, and 1 quart water. And if your dog did get greasy, you can use a non-toxic dish soap and white vinegar shampoo to clean them off. Oatmeal shampoo works wonders for itchy skin. You can also use chamomile and herbal tea soaks to soothe that itch. And if you notice your dog suffering from hives or allergies, sugar-free plain yogurt can ease those. For insect bites, eczema, or yeast infections, coconut oil can help. Vitamin E can also be used on skin or as a supplement to help with the itchy skin as well as healing. If your dog gets a bee sting, look to see if you can see the stinger. You can use tweezers to remove it. If you see swelling, you can give your dog Benadryl. And if your dog has a tiny wound that doesn't require a vet visit, but you would like to have natural antiseptic, use coconut oil, aloe vera, or witch hazel. Let's say you caused your dog's wound by cutting your dog's nails too short and don't have any styptic powder on you. You can always use baking soda or cornstarch to help clot the blood and stop the bleeding. Use ice cubes in a plastic bag wrapped in a clean towel to ease the pain. If the issue is cracked paws or noses, use coconut oil. If you live in a dry climate, a humidifier can do wonders to add moisture back into the air in your home and prevent this issue from reoccurring. For upset stomachs, canned pumpkin can help. It has a low glycemic index, which means the body absorbs it slowly in a way that can help soothe an irritated GI tract. Make sure it is 100% pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie filling with added sugar and spices. To help your dog's stomach further, give him a plain, non-sugar yogurt with probiotics. And if your dog is having diarrhea, which isn't severe, sometimes the best thing to do is to do nothing. Give his digestive system a break. Fasting 1 day a month is very healthy for your dog. And if your dog is gassy, consider investing in a higher quality diet. Some dogs can get gassy from eating too fast and swallowing lots of air with it. These dogs might get relief natural by giving them smaller meals or by using slow feeding bowls to slow down their eating. If your dog has eaten something that he shouldn't have, you can use hydrogen peroxide to induce vomiting. Most dogs will vomit within 15 to 20 minutes. Hydrogen peroxide should not be used if your dog swallowed something corrosive or sharp. Use this in emergency situations only. For natural remedies to anxiety, try to give him plenty of exercise and mind games while you're with him. Mental stimulation is great, and with treat dispensing puzzles, your dog's anxiety will be decreased. Natural supplements like melatonin can ease anxiety as well. In the recent years, CBD oil has grown in popularity as an anxiety remedy. It can also be used to minimize chronic pain and reduce risk of seizures in dogs. And if you know there's an event coming up that could stress your dog out, like New Year's Eve fireworks, you can use L-theanine. That is a natural occurring amino acid that boosts relaxation by encouraging production of calming hormones and preventing excitatory nerve signals. And L-tryptophan, which is also an amino acid that activates the feel-good hormone. You can also put a thunder shirt on your dog to add additional comfort. Catnip has a sedative effect on dogs and can make them feel more restful. If your dog is having trouble sleeping, you can either use natural ingredients like melatonin, or you can use a spray or diffuser with pheromones called DAP, dog appeasing pheromone. This mimics natural pheromone produced by nursing mothers that promotes a sense of peaceful well-being. If your dog gets carsick, you can try ginger for nausea and vomiting. Ginger delivers extra antioxidant benefits as well. If your dog suffers from excessive paw licking, this is oftentimes caused by allergies or other contact-related irritants. Epsom salt and soaking of the dog's feet for about 5 minutes can help wash off the contaminants and soothe their skin. If your dog gets eye infections that aren't severe, you can use saline rinses to help clear discharge and redness. And if you don't have pre-mixed saline solution, use a teaspoon of salt in a cup of lukewarm water to make one. Chamomile tea rinses can also soothe eye problems. Brew your tea and let it cool. Use a cotton ball to apply the cool tea to the affected eye. The chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties will soothe the irritation. For supplements that can help your dog's eye, look for omega-3 fatty acids, and lutein is an antioxidant that boosts retinal responses. If your dog suffers from bad breath, wheatgrass is a useful home remedy. It is high in chlorophyll, which has shown to treat bad breath and also improves digestion, which can cause bad breath from the inside out. It is not only high in chlorophyll, but also many vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids. Another natural way to improving your dog's breath is to brush his teeth. Physically removing rancid food and bacteria from the mouth will eliminate the smell. Another super supplement is chlorella. Some consider it a superfood. It improves detoxifications, helps prevent chronic disease, slows aging, boosts immune system, helps digestive health, soothes arthritis pain, and improves skin and coat. Long list, right? If your dog is having issues with hairballs, add a spoonful of olive oil or butter to their food to make passing the hairball easier. Oil can also help with removing burrs that really latch into the fur of your dog or worse, their skin. And if your dog is having bladder issues, unsweetened cranberry juice can do the trick. It increases urine acidity, resulting in reduced chance of blockages or infections. If you see blood in the urine, take your dog to the vet. As always, remember to contact your vet before using these remedies, or if the problem is too severe to treat, with natural home remedies. What other natural home remedies or supplements can you suggest?